Hello, welcome to Pivotal Traders. I hope you all had a wonderful day today, and let us discuss what we missed and what trades plan we had made and how it was executed. So, discussing very quickly what happened in the Bank Nifty was a kind of range movement in the morning, and that range movement was evident in the fact till 12 o'clock. You can see that the Bank Nifty moved in a range. We can draw a box and check it here. So you can see, even though trend was bullish, the day was ended yesterday on a very bullish note. This was the bullish note which day was ended yesterday, and the fact remains that the day closed at a higher level. It had a rally and it closed at a higher level, and then it opened gap up, but it also came back to check and fill the gap. It did fulfilled its obligation to fill the gap, and perfectly it made a range. Now we know that in the range something is cooking up, as the big players are looking to start either the rally or a downward spiral. So that's what happened here on this almost full bodied candle here. We saw that the Bank Nifty rallied very nicely and took a nice price action view here. But what happened was that once a rally was initiated, also I would like to tell you that this rally was very much, it was very easy to capture. If you would have watched my video on how the breakouts happen and how to know early time, what is the nature of the breakout, then this is the perfect example for that. So we had a breakout, then the follow-up candle was also bullish in nature. It was bullish in the nature that so much demand was here, and it did follow up. Then we could have added buy here, and we could have ride all the way till this point where the market seems to be a confusing one. But never the case, the other thing which happened in Bank Nifty was it started trading in a range. So at this point you can see that the Bank Nifty was trading in a range. It broke the range on the lower side, then it came back, and when it broke the range on the lower side and it went to test a high, it was immediately rejected. It was immediately rejected by this candle. You can see the so powerful rejection happened here that it did not even get the time to form a upper wick. No upper wick was formed on this candle. So to zoom in and check, look at this, look at the beauty of the candle. No upper wick was formed here. So that's what alerted us that since it is a Wednesday and big players are looking for a bargain, they know that Bank Nifty is bullish, but they will not always buy at a higher price. They will start a downward bargain. They will start a downward move which will help them to accumulate at a lower price, and that's what happened in the later half of the day on Wednesday, and this happens almost on every Wednesday. So you can see that Bank Nifty broke it and another bear candle was formed here, and then it came all the way down. This level was important because it made a range here. Okay, this level was important, it made a range, and also this level is important because it came here and made a strong reaction point. So these two range was important. Now once the Bank Nifty came and get trapped into this range, we should have expected, and I also shared on my trading view stream, that Bank Nifty would be closing around in this range only, and I predicted that at around 2 o'clock, somewhere around 2 o'clock, that Bank Nifty should be stuck in this range, and tomorrow's expiry would be a very fascinating one because the premiums are quite high. So tomorrow would be a good day for us. So that was the day, and once it broke this level down here and got stuck here, you can see it is creating a reaction. Once it broke there, and it created a reaction on the upside. When it broke that, and it created a reaction on the downside, and so forth. So tomorrow's idea would be shared on TradingView and also on Twitter. You can follow me in Twitter and TradingView to know more about our published ideas. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining.